up, you amazing hackers? It's your boy, the humble hacker from Chi-Town, Sharonin, back with another video. And today, we're going to be going over the last two rooms in the Tier 0 starting point of HacktheBox. And that is Mongod. Dude looks like Skeletor from Master of the Universe.
You will live!
And Synched. So let's get this party started. Let's go ahead and open this up. We have our IP address. Open up our terminal. Begin our nmap scan. Nmap, I like to use the -p- to scan for all ports. SC for using safe scripts. -SV generate all versions. OA output all format. Mongod and our IP address. I already ran it, so let's see what our responses are. Whoops. There we go. Okay, we got information on the Mongo database. That must be from the port that it's on. So we have 22 and 2717. So these are two ports that are open. So how many TCP ports that are open? That's 2. Okay, what is the service running on port 27017? Okay, Mongo DB 3.6.8. So that would be that one. Our next task, what type of database is Mongo DB? Okay, simply Google that. Mongo DB is a non-relational document database. So, let's see, wait, is Mongo DB, Mongo is what called no SQL, okay. So that would be no SQL. Okay, what is the command name for the Mongo shell that is installed? Okay, so Mongo shell command. Okay, Mongo shell commands. We'll check that out. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a good day. Alright. Okay, and you have a secondary page. These are two different ones. This one is the Mongo tutorials teacher, and this one's the Mongo shell. Okay. Command 9 options. Command helpers. Okay, so how... There we go. Installation. Let's pop this over here just so we can follow hierarchy from top down. Alright, so we install everything you can install it on. Let's go with do it on Linux because we're already on Linux. Let's see what this says. Okay, Mongo install. Okay. Install Mongod. Mongo SH. Let's look for the Mongo shell here real quick. Let's see. Search that in all documentation. Huh. So let's go to here because this is where we're also at. Binary Mongo shell command history. The Mongo shell. See the main Mongo shell. Okay, common options for Mongo. So the overall command name must be simply Mongo. So let's make sure. Yep, looks like that's the one that we use to call it. Alright, so the command name, it would be Mongo. Okay? What is the command for used for listing all the databases present in the Mongo DB server? Okay, so we're going to have to use Mongo to connect to this target here. So let's see what we use. Okay, so here is our commands. So we go Mongo, the options, database file, So it looks like we're going to use these two arguments, dash dash host and dash dash port. So we have Mongo dash dash host dash dash port. Let's go back to get the host and the port number. Have this, and the port number was 27017. Okay, so mother scrum shibbly just ding numlock 270. Wait, right? 27017. Yeah, 27017. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and run this. All right, looks like that we're connected. All right, cool. So let's continue on with the questions. Okay, what command is used for listing all the databases present? Let's look up here. Okay, here we are, show DBS. All right, so let's do that. Show DBS. Okay, so we got 4. Okay, what's our next question? So that would be show DBS. Okay. Next up, what is a command used for listing out the collections in a database? Okay. Prints out all the collections of a current database. Okay, so show collections. Okay, so we don't have anything. Let's see. Okay, so let's go down this list here. So let's see if we use and see what's in there. Okay, so use and the DB name. So use the DB name. Okay, show collections again. Okay, system version. Okay, and let's use users this time. Show collections, e-commerce web app. Let's see. Use local. Show collections. All right, so we have show collections. That should be it. The answer to that. Okay. What is the command used for dumping the content of all the documents within the collection, named flag, in a format that's easy to read? What is the command used for dumping the content of all the documents within a collection? Mongo shell dump the content. Okay, hang on. Dump all the content within a collection. Google is your friend. Okay. So collections, okay. So collection named flag. Okay, so there's a collection named flag. So let's grab that. DB collection name find, and looks like this has some extra stuff in it. Okay. Collection name find pretty. Alright. Let's see what that does. And we have to find flag. Wait. Flag not defined. Okay, so where is that then? So, okay, so that's not there. Let's see. Use config. Okay. Whoops. Let's see here. Let's try sensitive information. Okay. There we go. So let's do this again. Oh, duh. Okay, oh my god. Stupid. This is supposed to be empty. DB collection name, moron. Ugh. There we go. And there we go. So the command is DB flag find, which is DB, the DB name, find, and then pretty up, and it gives us this. So that would be DB find then. Correct though? With the find pretty, okay. And there was that root flag. Already spotted that one. So cool. That was Mongod. And I will see you shortly for the next one. What up, everybody? Time to go for box number 2, which is going to be synced. So let's take a peek at that. We have our IP address. Let us go and perform our nmap scan. Nmap, I like to do the -p dash SC for using safe scripts. Capital C. SV to enumerate all versions. OA for output all formats. Synced. Our IP address, I already ran this, so let's go ahead and cap this out. And looks like the only port that it has open is 873. So, as we can see, none of these are answered. So we're going to go through these here. So what is the default port for RSYNC? What did that one say? 873. So let's do that one. 873. Let's submit that. How many TCP ports were open? We only saw one, so there's that. Okay. What is the protocol version used by RSYNC on the remote machine? What does it say? Version 31 here. Okay, so we got 31. Mark that. What is the protocol version? Let's see, protocol version. Yeah, protocol version 31. It says it right there. So 31. Thank you. Jeez, I'm about to get mad. I'm about to get pissed for a second. Dang. All right. So let's see. What's this next one? What is the most common command name on Linux to interact with RSync? All right. Let's find that out. Command to interact. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's RSync. Okay, so, all right, looks like we just answered our own question with that. All right. Oh, oops, Synch. SYNC. Let's probably spell that correctly. There we go. What credentials do you have to pass to RSync in order to use anonymous authentication? Anonymous, none, RSync. But if you don't, wait, what credentials do you have to pass? You don't have them, so it will be none. Okay. All right. What is the option to only list shares and files on RSync? No need to include deleting -- characters. Okay, so only list shares and files. So let's look for that. Only list shares and files. Okay, so let's see. Let's go from top down. Only list shares and files. Only list shares and files. Let's see. Files. Let's see. Okay. Wouldn't be deletes. Partial. No. User. No. No. Include. list. So list only, maybe, probably. Let's find out. Would that be list only? LIST dash only. Okay. Now it says submit root flag. How? Hold on. Wait, so I'm kind of confused now. So how? Oh, log in anonymously with some. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now I got it. Hang on a second. All right. So what is the syntax to connect to this thing? So we use RSYNC, list only, and then the IP address. Okay. So RSYNC. Okay. List only. Get our IP address. Okay. Freaking crap. Let's see. What's anonymous user or user or whatever? D special. What's it? Bloop. Let's get rid of this. Okay. So how do we use RSync? Let's find out. Let's open these two links here. Okay. Let's see. RSync options destination. So how do we do this? How do we do this here? How do we connect to RSync? Let's give this a shot, but a more condensed version of this. So RSync. Our IP address, but none. Okay. Okay. Which files or directory? Let's see what this is. But if I don't know the path, how can I get, how can I find a file there if I don't have a path? There is no path, so I don't know what this is saying I should be getting here. This connection was refused. Again, connection was refused. Okay, so this is really super awkward. All right, let's see. Let's go to here and see what this hint, if it has a hint. No, it does not have a hint. Okay. What was the option to only list shares and files? So does that mean none? Oh wait. And list only? Okay. don't get what this is asking for. Alright, so... What? What the hell is this? I don't get what this is looking for. Hey, God. It's confusing as shart. Okay. Well, hold on. What if I do this instead? Maybe in like a different position. Okay, so that doesn't do anything because it's not... What is it? I don't get what this is doing. This is really confusing me. RSYNC. Okay. Okay, protocol number... Port. Wait. Address and... Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay. Okay, hang on a second. Okay. Wait. 873. 873. What? Dude, what the hell? Why? Dude, what is this doing, bro? Okay, this is like super confusing me right now. Alright, God, I don't want to do this, but no, but I am so confused. Like, what the fuck? What it? Okay, let's try. Where do I put none if there's no login? Goodness gracious. My dog is grumbling, growling. I will be right back. Come on. Alright, let me see what I can find here. How does this work? Okay, this is a little bit annoying here. Habanero pepper. Let's see. I'm seriously confused on how this thing works. Alright, so RSYNC none at here, destination directory, connection refused again. Can I just do this? Ugh. Ugh. This is annoying. Let me. God, I'm like so annoyed right now because I don't know what this is. Other RSync options. Source, destination. This doesn't tell me how to connect though. Come the H on, get off my screen. I'll figure out how this even works. No, does it set in max files? Should just be able to just rsync right and just put the still says I can't do it. But if you do none for login, how does that work? If you don't have a user. So do I just, so if this is user asking for username and password, do I just put in like colon then? Like, what, like here? List only, oh, get rid of that, right? Could not resolve host name and host name not, no, I don't know what this is looking for, man. It's like super freaking weird. Let's rearrange this. Because this is all this is giving us here. So what? Public, okay. Okay, so anonymous share. So I can wait. List only. So how do I put the anonymous share in there though? Do I put wait. It's probably got to be in quotes, right? See what that gives us. Nothing. Okay. So how about just public then? Since that's the only other one, I don't need to put that in quotes. Ah, there we go. Okay. Okay, so how do we read it? How do we read that? Let's see. List only. List only. So maybe like that. Okay, so you want to show us? Wait, hold up. If this is designed to sync files, then won't this command call that and then save it? Hold up. Meaning, I'm reaching out to this host here, saying to show me the contents of what's in public. There's a file there. That's flag.txt. And then give that to me, because this is, syncing files. Okay, so syncing files across two systems then is what this is, essentially. Right? To send files from a local source to a remote server, you may follow this for. Okay, so all right, okay, okay. It's making sense now. Making sense. Okay, so let me see if I grabbed it. Okay, I did not grab it. So how does this work then? Let's see. What happens if I do it like this? And what if I do it like that? So I put this as like the destination of this here. See what happens if I do that. Okay. Okay. Still not there. Huh. That is super freaking weird. Hold on. Alright. So how do I read it? No. No. Okay. 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 Okay, it's not there. So what the H? I don't get this. Hold on, I'm like super confused right now. RSYNC. Wait. Oh, wait, I don't need list only anymore, do I? No, I don't. So I can just do this. Because I'm listing the... Okay. What? Failed no such file directory. What the frick are you talking about? Hang on, let me... Okay, so... Let me do this then. See what this one does. Hopefully it gives me something. Ah! There it is. Okay. So, RSync, the IP that we're connecting to, and no username, so anonymous login, accessing the public folder where that file, flag.txt, is at, and flag.txt is the file that you want to save it as, so that's the equivalent of doing like a if you're connected to FTP or whatever and you use like get period, and that'll get every file that's like in that share. Okay, alright, cool. So there's that. Alright, cool. So that was synced, finally done. And alright. That was interesting. And this is what like getting deep in the weeds, like it gets in here, man. But as always, thank you for checking this video out with me. Don't forget to hit that like button, that share and subscribe button to stay updated on future updates. I am Sharon, and I'm out. Peace.